Hi, my name is Olivier Girardot. I'm a music composer and a sound designer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about famous movie sound effects that are not what you think. Sounds are essential to create the atmosphere of a film, but sometimes they are not at all what you think. So let's have a look at some of the most famous film sounds that were made in the most surprising way. Number 1. The lightsaber from the Star Wars saga. You all know what I'm talking about, right? Have you ever wondered where that sound came from? This footage is from a video by the very talented sound designer Shanks FX, who recreated his own lightsaber sound using the same method the original sound designer from Star Wars, Ben Burtt, used. For the humming part, it's basically a blend of sounds coming from a TV set or an old 35mm projector. And for the impacts, which sound more like massive sparkles of electricity, Ben Burtt recorded the sounds of burning pieces of metal pressed against large pieces of ice.
What is it? It's a velociraptor.
Number 2. The velociraptors in Jurassic Park. You'll never guess where those terrible carnivorous predators' screams come from. They are actual turtles' mating sounds. Number 3. The giant boulder scene in Indiana Jones: The Raiders of the Lost Ark. Everybody remembers that legendary introduction scene from the first opus of the amazing trilogy that rocked our childhood. But there is one moment in particular that got my attention. It's that time when Indiana Jones finds himself chased by a huge boulder made out of stone. How do you think they made the loud rolling and cracking noise? They got it from a Honda Civic. What? Yes, the sound designer Ben Burtt again recorded the tires of his Honda Civic rolling on gravels. That's so cool. Number 4. Fight Club's punches. Those memorable and so disturbingly realistic punch sounds were made by chicken carcasses and also chicken stuffed with walnuts for some added bone crunch.
I wanted to breathe.
By the way, you can check out how I made my own punch sounds by clicking the link in the upper right corner just there. I didn't use any chicken though, I mostly used vegetables. My punch sounds are 100% vegan. Number 5. The stabbing sounds in the famous shower scene from Psycho. Psycho is one of the most terrifying horror movie ever made, probably Hitchcock's best work. And we all remember the cult scene of the murder in the shower. Underneath the famous stabbing string score, there is also a puncture sound effect. For that, the sound designer used some watermelons and actually stabbed to create that gruesome noise. Movie sounds are filled with funny stories and tricks like that. Here are a few more honorable mentions. E.T.'s voice was actually an old woman's voice.
Ouch. Ouch. I'll be right here. I'll always be right here.
For this cult scene from The Exorcist, where the possessed girl spins her head around, they used the sound of a wallet.
By this sign of the Holy Cross of our Lord Jesus Christ, who lives and reigns with the Father and the Holy Spirit. Damien!
And Predator's heart is a wet sponge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment below and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.